everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to read a text file in C Sharp. Okay, so before starting, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And for more videos, just go and check my playlist. Okay, so now let's start with this. So for reading a text file, first we need two things. Okay, so first thing is a text box in which we are going to load the text from that text file. Okay, so and one button on which you can actually close this or open this file, and actually two buttons, one to open and one to close. Okay, so let me just change the name of these buttons. So first button will be open text file. Let me just give it name. Okay, so let me just make it large, and after that the second one will be close, so that it will close the application. Okay, so I missed E and hit enter. So I want that this text box needs to be this much large enough. So how to do that? Just click on this and search for, let me just search this multi-lines. Okay, so here you can see this multi-line is made false. So let me just turn it to true and just save it. And after that you can actually stretch it large enough as much as you want. Okay, so after that, just like this, here you can see this. Now let me first change the name of this close button. So just change its to design name is actually button close, btn close, and for this let me just change it to btn open. Okay, so when you click on this, I want that to close this application. So just double click on this to generate a click event of this button close, and application dot exit to close the application. Okay, so this will definitely going to close an application. And how to open a text file? So on this button click, I want that to open a file, and after that load it into this text file. Okay, so just double click on this, and here you can see this. Now click event is generated. Now I want that text file is open, and after that it loads into that. So first we use try catch, because it may be raise error when if you are trying to access another file. Okay, so after that you need to type using, and in this I'm going to use open file dialog. Just create an object of this and new open file dialog, and after that when this file dialog open, it will give you an access to select files. So here I want that I just want a few types of file, that is text files. So I'm using this filter. So filter equals which type of file I need is text file, text document, and which type of document, the extension of that is star.txt. Star means that anything before this .txt. Okay, so in this what I don't want is that I don't want multi-select. So multi-select, it means that the user can also select one or two text file at once. So just I am making it false, so that user can only select a single file at a time. Okay, so validate names will be true, and just close this and hit enter. After that open in bracket again, and inside this you have to write if of dot show dialog is equals dialog result dot ok. So it means that if it satisfies the condition, if the open dialog will satisfy the condition, then what we need to do is we need to do using stream reader. So we have not imported use this package IO. Okay, so we have to import this. So how to do that? Either you can write manually or just follow the step like I'm doing. Okay, so here you can see this. Now this blue small tick, just click on this, and here you can see this using the system.io. When I click on this, here you can see this, it's be added now into the imported library. So now stream reader, just ctrl and spacebar to just complete it, and after that I'm creating this object of this stream reader, and in this I'm passing the value which user has selected. So of dot file name. Okay, so if user is selecting multiple items, then you can pass this file dot names, but I have set the criteria that we are actually accessing a single file, so I have missed new here. So let me just type this new, and now it's nice. Okay, so inside the bracket now we have to write one more line, that is we have to assign the value to the text box. So text box name is text box 1, so I have not changed the name of the text box, and in this what we are going to assign is text, and from where we are going to assign, so I have to use await. Await is used in an asynchronous, it means that only at a single time you can access. Okay, so it's showing error because, well, let me just show you what it says. The await operation can only be used within an asynchronous method, so this method is not asynchronous. So just go and add here as y and c, and now this error will be resolved. Here you can see this, now it's blue, and here you can use this sr dot read to end a sync. Now it will be fine. So here you can see this, now it's working, and in this try, and after this we need a catch block also to handle the exception. Okay, so let me just write this in catch exception. If any type of exception occur, then we need that to show a user the message. Okay, so let me just show the message box dot show, and in this, okay, in this I want that user to show the message. So e dot message, and after that I want that name message. Okay, so what's showing error, let me just check. A local variable e cannot be declared in this scope. Okay, okay, now it's fine. Okay, so you can see this, now just change the name and it will be perfectly fine, and after that you need to just write the message box in which buttons you want in this message box. So message box button dot, I need just a single button, that is okay, and after that I want to give a icon. Okay, so icon will show a good impact on the user, that will be error, so it will be cross sign if it's any problem there. Okay, so just start it, and here you can see this, now open file, and it will move to my system. Okay, so before starting, let me just show you this close is working or not. So here you can see this, now it's working, so let me just start it again, and it's loaded, and now we click on this open file and just go to desktop, and here you can see this, I have already a text file, I have copied this data from internet, and in this I have added a list of all countries in the world. So just double click on this, and here you can see this, all the list of countries is now here. So uh, from here these all texts are here. So here you can see this, now here there is no scroll bar, and but still there is records down here. So how to access that, how to add a scroll bar into this text bar, just click on this and go to properties. Here you can see this is scroll bar, I need both type of scroll bars, so just start it, and now you will find the scroll bar. Here you can see this, just let me open this text file once again. So just double click on this, and here you can see this text file is here. You can also scroll it, and if you want that, here this down scroll bar will also be visible. Okay, so no, actually it's multi-line, so it's just changing the line. Down scroll bar is not here. Okay, so that's not an issue, you can add it. So that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching, and please give your feedback in the comment section, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks.